Good morning, gratitude. I'm so grateful of living in this beautiful space. It's just nearby the metro, very good neighborhood, and non interfering. If you see, this is bottle gourd is getting spread over their roof. I don't know if they eat this, but eat, we Uriya and Bengalis eat this as green leaves, green leaf vegetable. And there is another creeper is creeping up the same thing, and we look at the beautiful uh, flowers of the garden just in front. Not that you need to have your own plants, but plants of others also is great. And if you see, there is a mini forest getting built up in that particular house, and yes, the person who takes care is also a plant lover. It seems how aesthetically he has arranged his terrace, his balcony. I think this is the entire apartment belonging to one person, and they live. And even if they have rented out, you can see a staircase, which is a steel staircase which has been built after summers, sometime I think, so that they can maintain exclusivity without interfering the person they have rented it out to. Very nice gardening and very nice design of the house also, so that they remain non-interfering as well as giving an aesthetic living sense to the person they have rented it out. I'm sure it is going, the range of the house rent would be around 40,000 to the max, to the least. It can be more if the other accessories, whether it is semi furnished furnishing, is concerned. Below, if you see the roof, the green roof that has been uh, wasted over this small space, they have more sitting space now in that area. So there is a old grandparents out there, they need some space to sit, playing with their grandchildren, and that is there. And finally coming back to my garden. So my garden today looks like this. Uh, this the climber that I was concerned that day about, it has finally started climbing, although I have ordered a ladder. The second place is here. This creeper is trying to climb. I have already put a small ladder to it, but it has come down extra. So why to waste this extra length? For that I am waiting the ladder, the stairs, no ladder stairs to come, so that I can properly arrange. I may tie it with the other hanging that is there, so that I can save the entire length. And yeah, maybe I don't have to uh, get it to this length. Only that particular that rope will do. Only to train from here to there, it will be required. So this is my garden today, and hope you enjoy. And this is the plant which is taking root. and taking root well and getting ahead. Now this is a twig that I had got, and it has also started blooming well, taken root. Now what I'll do is I'll pluck it from the above so that it starts growing downstairs. That is done. She is Kalisi, the god of my garden, goddess of my garden. You can see the bougainvillea has started well. It may go up out there. Doesn't matter. As soon as my stairs come, I'll train it towards this so that it doesn't interfere with the neighbors. And yes, this is a false curtain that I have built out of the plants. So thank you for watching my morning, and I am so grateful today.